Welcome to another Electronic Security Solutions training video. This video will explain the basic steps in using the SALTO encoders. There are basically two types of encoders. The first is a standard USB connection. The second is an Ethernet connection for the BLE function. The main features of the encoder will allow you to read key fobs, key cards, and stickers. It'll allow you to create key fobs, key cards, and stickers. And it'll also allow you to delete a key fob, key card, and sticker. It will also allow you to update a key fob, key card, or sticker on the encoder itself. The Ethernet encoder serves as a dongle, which is the communication between the Internet for the Justin Mobile Cloud services, so that individuals will be able to use the Justin Mobile app, which they have downloaded, to open SALTO doors. Here are two pictures of the SALTO encoders. The one on the left is the Ethernet connection and a 12-volt power supply. The encoder on the right is the standard USB connection. Both will show a green LED light when powered. Now, before you can use the SALTO devices, you have to make sure that you have downloaded the I/O bridge. And to do that, click on About, and on the left you'll see Local I/O Bridge. Hit the download and make sure that once it has been downloaded that you install it using admin rights. Once the I/O bridge has been installed properly, you'll need to go up to Settings. And here is where you will select the type of encoder that you have. Your first selection is for local USB connection, and the other is the online, which is the SALTO Ethernet connection. For the purposes of this video, we have selected the online encoder. When you have selected the online encoder, you need to enter that encoder into the software. It will need an IP address so that it can communicate with the Internet and the Justin Mobile Cloud services. So once you've named it and assigned an IP address, hit Save. The next step is you need to bring the Ethernet encoder on board to use the IP which has been assigned. To do this, grab yourself a small paperclip and press the button very lightly on the encoder. The green light will start to flash yellow. While it is flashing yellow, hit the address button on the bottom of the screen. Once it recognizes it, it'll say that the operation has been successful. In this case, we've already assigned an IP address, so it's telling me I cannot do it once again. Now we need to make sure that in General Options, under Devices, we have the SALTO encoder highlighted. If you have several encoders, you must choose the one that you're going to be using. With the encoder now connected and going up to keys, you'll be able to read a key or delete a key. While making a key, as you can see in this test in card holders and users, we have made a test key. Please also remember that all key fobs, cards, or stickers must have a check mark in audit openings in keys. If they have office mode privileges, check mark that as well. Make sure the calendar is set and the revalidation of the key expiration is check marked. Once that is done, hit save. And the next item would be to assign either the access point, the access level, or the zone that you created. Once that is done, place your key fob on the encoder, hit assign key, edit key, and it'll tell you if the operation has been completed successfully. Please note that at times you may connect the encoder or the PPD, the portable programming device, and you may get a message that it cannot connect. That could be because of one, a connection problem, or two, Microsoft has done an update and the I/O bridge must be downloaded once again in order for the encoder or PPD to work. And of course, if there's any questions, please get a hold of Electronic Security Solutions and we can help you with your needs.